cats.
Ready?
I'm recording you. Damn it. Ed's trying to trap some cats. That's Nick. You can tell by his foot. I guess. I don't know. Yep. Did you get them both in there?
No.
Which one do you have in there?
None of them.
Oh.
She's like very cautious about it.
Well, fucking grab her and just throw her in there. Both of them. That's the vagina. You see it? Yep, that's the vagina. That was a boring video.
That's the way you were to edit better.
Yeah.
I didn't even at that table.
Really? Fuck, I only have... Oh, there's Bosch.
No!
You just can't keep anything in your vagina. This would be like 2 videos where it's like the failed attempt of giving the cats in the vagina and then actually being able to do it. So I only have it set for 3 minutes. Yeah. Well, it's okay. We'll have 2 videos. It'll be funny. Like Nick said, you can get the catnip and lure them in here. Start shaking the bag.
No! Get over here!
Jesus Christ.
It's really going back and forth.
It's just like, you can't see anything that's going on. It's because it's dark.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll stop this one and make a new one.